Hello. Welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. So here we are in the pet room. Maybe we should look at a pet. This one here, I don't know if you can see. It's missing some keys. It's rather filthy. And I have no clue when I last looked at it at all. No clue. And yeah, it's dirty. It's dusty. It looks there's even some paint flaking off on the. So it's a metal case one, and it has kind of the old sticker thing, not like the big nameplate thing. And it's funny, I'm realizing there's some nasty shadows being thrown here. I would rather that they not be, so let's see what we can do about this. Maybe that will help. The shadows on the pet. Not helping the shadows on my face, to be sure. Maybe I'll turn that around. Okay, so old pets, broken keys. Well, no, two of them. The shift keys are missing their tops, and then I think it's the $ key. It would need, well, some serious restoration. Anyway, let us peek inside and see what we see. And from the looks of it, it is a very original machine. Maybe I'll put the, oh, hang on. I just want to, I can't put, I cannot put the, hello, Penny. What's up, Penny? I can't put the little leg down because it's stuck. Where's Penny? Hi. Penny. Did you hear, Penny, that we were looking at a pet? Did you? Yes. It's not you, though, Penny. But you can stay here. Yes, you can. I know Penny really liked it when I was working on the disk drives because they were nice and warm. And she could lie on the top of them and hang out. She could. She did. She would. Right, Penny? You would do that. Oh, yeah. Been brushing Penny, getting lots of little extra hair out. Of course, it still is around. But you never know. Hello, Penny. Do you want to look at the people? Do you want to look at the people? I'm not too sure. Where's your chinny chin chin? Where is your chinny chin chin? Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. Oh, yeah. Alright, so before I can open this up and really have a good look, I'll have to get a screwdriver or something to pry. See, on the pets, they had a thing. There we go, there's a little hair. Kind of like what you would find in a car to hold the hood open. A little arm. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. And the arm is held in by a little finger kind of a thing to make sure it doesn't flap free. Well, that finger seems to be in a rather stuck position as it's been bent in a bit or something. The original pets, the holder was on the side. Later, it was on the front. But this is an old one. This is an old one. Yes, Penny. Yes, it's an old pet. It is. So I'm going to have to see about getting that bent. We can look inside. It does look like it's a very original old board, and it has some other stuff there, which we'll look into. It's got like this extra thing. I don't know what it is in front of the power supply, which I only got a glimpse at because, of course, I can't hold the thing open. I cannot. There we go, Penny. Little clumps of hair from Penny. There we go. I have been brushing Penny, but she hasn't been liking it that much lately. She has not. But more and more, as she ages, she does seem to like to hang out here. There's some more. There's some more. Okay, okay. Penny, Penny, have you had enough of this? I think she has. Penny, do you want to go up here? Want to go on the table? Want to go on top of the pet? I know you've done this before. Want to get up there? Hmm? Okay. Do you want to lie down? Maybe not. Penny, Penny. Penny, Penny. You've had enough there? Hmm? You don't like it up there? Okay, there you go. That's little Penny, Penny. Just don't knock that down. And hang on, let's see if we can make room. Got a couple of disc notchers there. What else is in the way? Penny, you want to lie down on the table? Yeah, that's a light. Penny, that's a light. It is. Penny. What do you want to do, Penny? Penny. Hello. I can pet you some more. Do you want to look inside this computer with me? Do you want to look inside? Look, Penny. Let's look. Maybe you can do a CAT scan here. See, here's the computer. There's some rest inside. Right now, I can't get the little leg down. So as I said, there's this other board here. No, okay, watch it. There's this other board here. And then it has this other thing that comes out. I don't know what it went to. But it does seem that the power goes to this other little funny board. And then it goes to the main board. But then there's this other thing, this other plug here. We'll get a closer look once I can get this hood open. Hi, Penny. Yes, you're gonna lie down. Gonna lie down and stay a bit. Good girl. A little more hair. Okay, Penny. Anyway, but looking inside, it's dirty, it's dusty, it's rusty, but I don't know what it does in terms of working. The board doesn't look terrible. It looks like a very original old thing. Penny, that's your tail in the board. That's your tail. That's your tail. Yes, it is. If I can blow a little dust away here. Or rub a little dust away. I think it is one of the first boards. It does look like the screen RAM chips. Ooh, sorry. The screen RAM chips and the RAM chips are the same. That's always handy. And the major chips of all sorts are in sockets. Hi, Penny. Want to have a look inside? No? I guess not. Are you gonna go? Are you gonna go? Oh, Penny's gonna go. Alright, I think. Hi, Penny. Where'd you go? Okay, she's over there. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. And I'm gonna plug this in. And then I'll pull it forward a bit, lean it a bit, and for the first time in who knows how long, we will apply power. If I can just get the switch. Alright. Now, what do we see? Well, it's a screen full of stuff. Almost looks like Pac-Man. Or there was a game years ago called Tank Wars. So that is interesting. It is. And my first gut reaction is to say, I bet you there's a screen thing, a scream RAM thing, or a RAM thing, or a something thing, because it does seem that RAM is the thing that goes the most. It does. The other thing that tells me that this pet is kind of old is this is a black and white rather than a green screen monitor. Hello, Penny. I hear you scratching over there. So you know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to go in search of a screwdriver or something, or pliers, so that I can put the little holder up. Maybe I'll do a little finger test here to see if any chips immediately are getting tremendously warm. And there do not seem to be any. There do not. So I'm going to put this down and look for tools. That is what I will do. So stay tuned. We'll see what we can see inside this this dirty old pet. It's kind of rusty, kind of crusty, kind of dusty. Thanks for coming to the pet room. David Bradley, signing off for now. See ya.